to Sandy's Lifestyle Cooking Videos. I'm Sandy, and if you're new to this channel, thank you so much for choosing to stop and view this video. To my wonderful viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. For those who don't know, this channel showcases foods that are healthy, attractively plated, and purpose planned. I also showcase on this channel elegant table setting and accessories. For my upcoming videos, I will share with you meal preparation tips, napkin folds, and yes, I will be cooking for you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy my videos. So, wonderful viewers and subscribers, I hope that you're all doing well. It is time for Napkin One-on-One with Sandy. And today, the napkin to be presented is the seashell, which was featured in my last meal presentation. To start off this napkin fold, we're going to fold away from us, and we're going to be doing some pleats or doing something like an accordion shutter. So let's get started. Fold away from you, bring back, 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 away from you, and bring back. Now that we have the pleats, we need to set them in place. So we'll just use our hand to set these pleats in place. Okay, now this pleats are set in place. It's time to roll, and we're rolling away from us. With your left hand, always used as a guide, we're going to start rolling tightly towards the end of the napkin. Always keeping your napkin flat. And then roll to the end. Now, I'll be taking the plate over the center, place the napkin fold on the plate, and there you have it. Your seashell napkin fold. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Please remember to like, comment, share, and if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider making this channel your home by clicking the subscribe button below. Until next time, catch me in my next